Okay, working with the clay, I'm gonna make a little mat out of mine, and let's see how this will come out. And remember, a lot of you guys that were in the clubhouse with me before this started, you'll know that you can either use the colors just as they are, or if you wanted to mix a couple colors, you can always kind of massage them together like this until they kind of start to blend a little more, and you can play around and make some colors. Now I'm going to get my skeleton, and I'm just going to kind of put these parts on top of my skeleton. Here's my little mat. Got my stripes on my shirt. Feel free to do an amazing job with all your different little talents that you might have. I'm going to put my hands on here. Okay, so I got my little mat made. It's only just a tiny bit terrifying, but it's okay. I'm sure you guys will come up with something incredible on your own. Now I'm getting ready to animate it. Okay, we're gonna use some stop motion techniques to just try to make this little thing a creative move. When you do this, you may want to try to make your wires a little bit thinner than I did, or you might want to find ways to wrap it all the way around, because you do want it to be able to move. But that'll be up to you in your creative process. Play with it and experiment a little bit, see what works for you. Now there's gonna be two different ways that we can animate this. If you have access to a phone or a tablet, could be iPhone or Android, you can click on this link and it's gonna show you how to download the stop motion app, which you can get for free, but you do need a phone or a tablet to be able to use it. Now, if you don't have access to one of those right now and you have a Chromebook or a computer you can go on to that has a webcam, you can go click on this link, and I'm going to show you how to use a little app inside your browser to animate it.